Hey there, Sophia. It's Madam Sophie here again to do another wig review. This time I'm going to be doing a review from the Freetress Equal Lace Part Collection. Today I'm going to be reviewing this L-Part Invisible wig. Her name is Liberty, and I have her in the color OF2730613. So this is basically a mixture of the 27 color along with the 30 color, along with the 613 color, which is like the blondest, the very blonde color. This is the wig I'm going to be doing the review on today. If you'd like to see how this wig shows up, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell on your way out because you gotta be in the Sophia's mix, and you gotta be in the Sophia's mix because you are a sophisticated lady. All right, so go on and hit that bell to be part of the Sophia's squad. So this wig, as you know, her name is Liberty. She has a total of 3 combs. You have 2 combs at the front, you have 1 comb at the back, and you do have your adjustable straps. This wig also comes with ear tabs, and like I said earlier, it is a lace part wig. This lace part is probably about, I want to say 2 to 3 inches long, so you're not going to get that long of a parting space for this wig. It is just about 2 to 3 inches long. I wouldn't say it's more than 3 inches long. So this wig is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes in a variety of other colors. Apart from that, you could also, since this is considered to be an invisible lace part wig, you also have the option of cutting through the lace and blending in your hair, which I would not suggest. So just letting you know, you have that option. It also says that you can use sheen spray on this wig if it gets frizzy, and you could also use detangling sheen spray on it as well. So this is from the Shake and Go collection, and it is a synthetic wig. A synthetic wig that is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to adjust these straps, and I'm going to pop this lady on. It has really cute waves to it, and as you can see, just a blend of the color 27, 30, and 613. The lighter strands that you're seeing in this wig is going to be from the color 613, which is a blonde color. Going to go ahead and apply some face powder to the parting space. Nothing too special, just some loose face powder. You could take any loose face powder to do that as well. I don't think the loose face powder is doing what I wanted to do, so I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that in the parting space. So a little bit of concealer, and I'm just using some random concealer, nothing too special. So I'm going to apply the concealer. Normally, if you apply the concealer and you put powder over the concealer, it's really going to help with the parting space staying there for a longer period of time. And when you use the concealer along with the powder, it really helps give the wig the illusion that it has a more natural parting space. Like, you could widen the parting space without even plucking the hairs with the concealer. So this really helps. And as you can see, like I said, it is actually looking a bit widened up. Just be careful because you don't want to apply too much concealer and then your wig looks like a hot mess. So just a little goes a long way. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that powder on top. Okay. This wig has a lot of volume. I'm not going to interfere too much with the curls because I don't want it to get extremely big. But this is how the wig is looking, guys. I really love this wig. I've been longing to get this wig for a very long time because I've seen other YouTubers do it, review it, and I really wanted to get one like this for a really long time, but I was waiting really hard for it to get on sale. So it was on sale, and then I was able to purchase it. But this is how this is how Liberty is looking from the front, as you can see. This is how she looks from the left-hand side. She has kind of an A-line cut to it, A-line bob cut wig that is wavy. So this is how she looks on the left-hand side. This is how she looks on the right-hand side. This is how she looks at the back. And I really love the colors in this wig because these are my favorite colors. These are my go-to colors when I'm buying wigs. So yeah, so this is how Liberty is looking. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I'm going to leave a link on where you could purchase this wig, a variety of websites on where you could purchase this wig down in the description section. So please look out for that on your way out if you're interested in purchasing this one. This wig has been out for a very long time, like probably over 2 years now it's been out. So you should be able to get it at a really good price on the wig website. So I'm going to leave that information in the description box. Again, this is Liberty from Freetress Equal Shake and Go collection, and this one is an invisible part wig. It is not a lace front wig, but it works really well. It would look really natural if I went and I pulled out some of my natural hair to kind of blend it in. The whole fact that it is a center part wig, I think it works very well like that because, well, unless some very strong winds blew like this and everyone saw your business. But this wig is certainly Sophy approved. I love this wig. Like I was saying, I really wanted to get this wig. It's been a long time I wanted to get this wig, but I was just waiting for it to get on sale. Liberty in the color Wig of2730613. Sophy approved. It is in the Sophia's mix. I can see myself rocking this wig to work with no problem. I really love this color. It is not too bold. It is not too bright. It is just right for me. So this is Liberty from Freetress Equal Shake and Go. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell on your way out. I would really appreciate it if you hit that bell on your way out, just so that you could be in the Sophia's mix and you could join the Sophia squad. And you need to join the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. All right, honeys. So I hope that you have a wonderful day. I hope that you have an amazing day. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.